Hey guys, so in today's video I will be putting on a Wiggins V-part wig. As y'all can see, this is a curly wig. It's super curly, beautiful curls. It's a V-part wig. Y'all see it has clips on it. It comes with clips for the part and combs to comb it and make sure that it's snug tight. Also comes with a band that you can take off or put on if you need it for extra security on your head. Okay, curls just bouncing away. So what came with the wig was some lashes, an edge brush, an edge band, a wig cap, which we won't be needing, and then a bag to put the wig in. Okay, y'all, so I know I look crazy or whatever the case may be, but I am going to show, first of all, let's see if this wig fits first. Hold on. Because when you first get it, it's like closed off, but you just cut that piece. And voila, it's now open. This is a V part, you guys. So right now, currently, I have a U part in my hair. And the U part is also from Wiggins Hair. I had got this like last year sometime. But as y'all can see, it is a U part wig as well. I'm finna take it off and show y'all. You're like, oh, this looks good. I had a lot of compliments on this hair. People saying, oh my gosh, it looks like a leave out sew-in. And it does. But this is a U-part wig, you guys. I'm about to show y'all now. And sometimes when they're too big, I sew them. So if this wig is too big, I'm going to show you guys how I sew it to make it fit on my head. But if it fits perfect, then there's no need to sew it. I know, y'all. I look crazy. I know. We're about to fix that. Y'all, this is a quick and easy, like, leave out sew-in, basically. Like, I don't gotta do too much. Don't gotta do too less. This is my braid down. Y'all. Braid down. So put my old wig and just Wiggins. And now for the U part. So y'all, as y'all can see, I have my hair braided down already. Again, this is the curl. So I'm finna see if it big. So I got like, so I'm gonna show you how I make them fit, basically. So to make the wig smaller, I'm going to pinch like 2 tracks together. The tracks are really thin, so it's easy to pinch together, and it's not bulky at all, you guys. So I pinch 2 tracks together, and then I begin to sew like in a straight line. Also, if it's too wide, you could do the same thing. Just pinch it on the sides and then sew it. And it'll be just like a sewing. Just sew it. Take a needle and thread and just sew it. But it's not too wide, so I'm not going to be doing that today. But this is what it looks like once I sewed it. I just pinched 2 of them up because it wasn't that big in the back, but it was big. So now that row is sewed, now I can put it on. Take the combs on the side. Comb the back. Okay, y'all. So this is the curls that we have. Well, now Y'all don't mind this bag of clothes. It's clothes I have to fold up. But this hair feels so good and so soft, y'all. Period. Period. Let's tame the curls, though. Tame the curls. Okay, so then for our part, I'm just gonna bring it down. And y'all, just that quick and simple. All I did was clipped it on. Of course, I sized it to fit the way I wanted it to fit. But I didn't really have to do nothing but brush it. And then there we have it. Oh, y'all so full. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Then if I don't want it behind my ear, you know, I could take it from behind my ear, of course. And just, you know, y'all could just play with it. So again, quick and easy style. I just clipped it on, took one wig off, and got a whole new style. Again, Wiggins Hair, you guys. Make sure y'all check out the link in my description box down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And yes, y'all, this is a fast and easy to go wig, and I'm loving it. It's so full. Like, it's so full. Look at the curls, y'all. Yes, curls. Yes. I'm a behind my ear type of girl, so I love my hair to be behind my ears. Like, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so cute. I can't get over how full these wigs be. Like, what? I am a vpartwig girl. Maybe it's a little wide on this side, so I might fix it. Yeah, it's a little wide. Got my ear band in. Let's cover that up. Look at that, y'all. Look at that one curl. Y'all see how I just brushed that? What?